Hello friends, welcome to another video, and in this video we will discuss one more advanced coding question of TCS NQT, and this question was asked on day 5 and I have already uploaded questions of advanced coding question of day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4 in C++, Java and Python. So whatever language that you are familiar with, you can go through that, and you can go through the playlist of TCS NQT which is in the description box. There you will find all the questions from all the sections. So go there and try to solve more and more questions. Okay, and keep practicing. So for this video, we will discuss this simple question that they asked on day 5. Okay, so in this slot, this question was, and we will see how to do it. So in this video, we will do the code in Java, and I have made a separate video of same question with C++ also and Python also. So you can whichever language you are familiar with, you can watch that video. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. So the question is like this: you are given two strings A and B. You have to derive a string C from A by deleting elements from A such that string C does not contain any element of string B, and string A and B will be given as input and you have to print string C as output. So this is the sample test case. So these two strings are given, string 1 and string 2, that is A and B, and we have to print the output. So now see how to approach this. So the question says that this is string A, this one is string A, and this is string B, which will be given. Now question is asking that you have to transform this string A in such a manner that none of the character of string A will be there in string B. In simple word, there should not be any common character which is there in A also and B also. Okay, so just we have to do like this. So suppose in A we can delete some character also, and after deleting, whatever will be left, that should not be there in B. Let me give you an example. So let us say T is here also and T is here also. So we do not want, so none of the character in A should be there in B. The moment it is there, we will remove that character from A. This they are asking. So S is in A, but S is not present in B, so we will keep it. Similarly, U is here in A, but U is not here. Okay. Similarly, D is here in A, but D is not here. So E is here in A and E is here in B also. So we do not want. Whatever character in A also and B also, we remove this, we delete that. Similarly, N is there in A, and we will check that is N present in B also. The moment you find any presence of character, we will delete this. Now we will check T. So is T present in this any character of string B? So we will check, okay, T is not here, but T is here. The moment you find this, that this character is also present in B, we will delete this. And whatever you are left with is the final output. And this string we have to print. So what will be the final string? So it will be SUD. Okay. And they were asking the same question, that string C does not contain any element of B. So since we have removed all the element which was there in B, now if you see any character, you will not find that this character in B also. So let us start with S. So S is not in B. Similarly, U is here but not in B. Similarly, D is here but not in B. So this we have to output. So see how simply we made it. So I hope all of you must have thought of the logic. So there is nothing new in it. we will start each character one by one, and we will just check that is this character there in B or not. The moment you find that it is not there in B, it will be added to our answer. And if it is there in A and there in B also, we will delete this. So let us see the code in Java. And for Python and C++, as I told you, I have already made that. So go through that. Now this is the Python code. This is the Java code. And we will discuss two methods. So in method 1, this is more simple. We will use two for loop. And in method 1, we will use this index of. Now see, all of you must be thinking that there are other methods also, like contains also, and there are more methods. So yes, you can do by any method as long as it is correct. And try it yourself also, try some more methods, and you can put in the comment section so that other can also learn. Okay, so the first method what we will do is we will just take the input S1 and S2. After taking the input, we have this ANS string which we kept empty, and we will keep on adding character. That will be final, and then at last we will print that. Now what is our logic? That we will iterate each character of S1, and we will just check, is this character present in S2? The moment we will see that okay, it is not present, we will add that into our answer. Now for those of you who are not aware of index of, this basically works in this way. Let me give you an example. So let us say this is S2 and this is S1. Index of works like this. So if I write like this, S2 dot index of S2 dot index of and then here let me provide any character. So this basically checks that what will be the index of this T in S2. It will return the position. So if I ask that S2 dot index of T, then can you say me what it will return? So it will return basically 0. So just it is checking that where is T present. So that index, it will, the first one. So it might be that there are multiple occurrences of T. So the first occurrence, that index it will return. Okay, so we will use this method. So for each character, we will find the index of that in S2. So if it is present, then it will return something like 0, 1, 2, the position. But if it is not present, it returns -1. So if it returns -1, it means that character, whatever you are writing here, is not present. So how it will return the index? So it returns -1, because -1 index is nowhere. We know that indexing starts from 0. So same thing it does. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So we will start from S. We will check what is the index of S in S2. Then it will return -1. Because S is not present anywhere. The moment we will get, okay, it is -1, it means this is our character that I need. Because it is not present in B, and the same thing we want. So same thing we are doing. Iterating through each one of S1, and we are checking the index of that in S2. You can see here I have converted this ith character into char, and that index I am checking. The moment it returns -1, then we understood, okay, this character of S1 is not present in S2. Then add it to our answer. Okay, so as simple as that. Similarly, next it will move to T. It will check the index of T in S2. It will get 0. So not equal to -1, then we will not do anything. Similarly, it will start with U. We'll check the occurrence of here. It will get -1. We will add it into our answer. So answer will be SU. We are adding one by one. Now similarly, it will check the index of D in S2. Again it will get -1. We will add to our answer. Now it will check the occurrence of or index of E in S2. It will get 1 because E is present as 1th index. Similarly, it will check the occurrence of N in S2. It will get 2. Similarly, occurrence of T in S2, it will get 0. Okay, so -1 we got here, here, here. So answer will be SUD. So see how simple it was. So this was the first method. And for those of you who do not want index of, you will like, okay, I don't want index of. So for them, we will use 2 for loop. Okay. So 1 for loop is for S1, and for each element of S1, we will check, is it matching with S2? If it matches with S2, we will increase the count by 1. And at last we will check. If the count is still 0, it means there was no match. And if there is no match, add it to my answer. And then finally, print the answer. So this was all. So let us run a few test cases. Now see, I will put this code in comment section. I will pin it. Go through it. Try your own test cases and see it. So try some few. So let us start with sample one. Okay, we got the answer SUD. Similarly, try some more. Anything I write. Okay. So it will start with D. It is not there in S2. It will be in the answer. F is there also, here also. Then nothing to do. E is here, but E is not here. It will be in the answer. Similarly, T is here. T is not here. It will be in the answer. So similarly, D is here. D is not here. Add it to answer. Similarly, S is here and S is not here. So whatever elements we are getting, none of this will be in the S2. You can see this. D, E, T, D, S and G, F, G. Okay. So this was the question. Similarly, we can try the second code also. In that also give a student 10. Okay, we got the answer. So both code be executed. I will put it. You can also try yourself. So this was all about the question. And if you have any doubt in the any part of the code, you can put it in the comment section. And if you have any other doubt, you can put it there. So this is all from my side. Thank you guys. Keep practicing, keep learning. Best of luck.